This is Ruth chapter 1, verses 6 and 7. She and her daughters-in-law set out to return from the territory of Moab because she had heard in Moab that the Lord had paid attention to his people's need by providing them food. She left the place where she had been living, accompanied by her 2 daughters-in-law, and traveled along the road leading back to the land of Judah. Now, I have that verse in verse 6 underlined in my Bible because it says that Naomi heard in Moab that the Lord had come to the aid of his people. And you guys noted this in your homework. But this is so profound to me because this means that the grace of God reverberated all the way east, all the way across the Jordan, all the way to this pagan, godless land, that God was still being gracious, that God was still being good to his people. And she heard it in Moab. And I love that because I think sometimes we think that the grace of God is only going to be good inside these walls, or it's only going to travel inside our church walls or in our Bible study circles. But do you know that the grace of God can reach out? And I love that in this destitute, just hopeless state, somehow the message gets to Naomi that God has been faithful and that God is providing and that once again there is bread in the house of bread.